Yeah.
My name is Anusha Thapa. I come from a nuclear family of four members. I was born and raised up in Kottayam, but my parents hailed from Nepal. I have done my bachelor's in business administration from Gurudipam College, Kottayam, and currently pursuing MBA in Marine College, Kutiganam. With the eagerness of doing job during my free time, I have done the job of online marketer for 7 months, which gave me the realization of convincing skills. And I have done two summer internships from MRF Tires and MRF Employees Cooperative Society and finance as well as HR, which introduced me to the organization setup, like actually how organization works. And talking about my recent achievements, I have been elected for various chief coordinators and leadership roles in the colleges, which enhanced my leadership skills as well as team management skills. During my free time, I love to chit chat with my friends. I love traveling and I love listening to old people.
Good. You said you love traveling. What are the places you visited recently or in the past?
So the recent places that I visited very recently is around my college itself, as it is in Kutikanam. Like it's near to the Kumili side. If you know, it's near to the Kumili side. It's full of mountains, hilly areas, free from the hustle and bustle of the city. So I visited a place called Trishangu, which is on the hilltop of the like mountain. So the view from the place is really good. So I love visiting the places around my college also.
Trishangu means the meaning of Trishangu is that Trishangu Sorgam. That means not being able to decide. Is it such a difficult spot, hill spot, or something like that?
It's on a hill spot. It's on the top of the hill.
Normally in Tamil or Malayalam, the word Tirisangu will make you're in a fix, not being able to jump to this side or this side or that side. So that's what is told like
Mhm.
that. Good. And you said your father is working in MRF, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. If they ask you, tell. Okay.
Mm.
Otherwise, yeah. Anyhow, certainly it will come because you said you have worked in MRF society and all that. Then
Mm.
automatically they will ask, how did you work there? Then this will come. Good.
Mhm.
Your
Yes.
major is finance or marketing?
So my major is in finance and minor is in marketing.
Oh, finance. What are the financial details of Federal Bank?
So the most highlighted detail of the federal bank is it is the first time that the federal bank has reached to the four-digit like quarter profit. We can see in the quarter three profit of recent that has been published. It has been to 1,004.57 crores, which was
1000,
always in
1007 crore.
1,007.
Hmm. Continue.
1,007 crore, and this is the first time the federal bank has reached to the height of four digits. And talking about the annual profit, it has the profit of
It,
3,010.
itna bhi zarurat nahi. It has reached four figure and all. You can say
Okay.
this quarter bank reached the highest net profit of 1007 crores. Four
Yes,
digit
okay, sir.
figure ये सब हम लोग का I mean when you are talking to friends you can talk but not in an interview. Okay,
Mm.
good.
Okay.
Continue. Next. 1 minute. 1 minute. Haripriya phone. Uh, yeah. Tell me.
And the share price of the federal bank has been increased to 147 rupees, which is quite recommendable.
Hmm, correct. Then no, I think you are not touched upon GNPA, NNPA, and all that. And then what else? Other facts like say market capitalization, something like, because
Mm.
you are a finance student. You
Mm.
must tell all those things also. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Let me go for other routine questions which they are
Okay, sir.
asking. What is your strength?
Sir, my strength lies on communication and interpersonal skill. I am a person with great interconnecting. I connect with people very easily, uh, And I think having such a like diversified background, I fit myself in like any diversified or any dynamic situation. I think that's what the bank also requires.
Name the executive directors of Federal Bank.
So the executive director of the Federal Bank is Sham Srinivasan.
He is MD and CEO.
Executive. I think it's AP Hota is there, who is the
No, AP Ota is chairman. AP Ota is chairman. I think you are not remembering it correctly.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Shalini Warrior is there.
Correct. Correct.
Shalini Warrior is
Shalini
there.
Warrior is Shalini Warrior is one of the executive
Yes.
directors. Another one is Harsh Dugar.
Yes. Then
Harsh
another
Dugar.
one is
This alone
mm,
is over, not over. For one
mm,
candidate, they have asked name three directors also. Name three
okay.
directors also they have asked. I am showing it to you. Please see. Whatever you can remember, you can tell. For example, this madam, Varsha Puramdara. Okay. Then
Okay, sir. Varsha Purandara.
Sudarshan Sen. Then Manoj Fadnis. You
Mm,
remember Maharashtra politics, Fadnis. Manoj
mm,
Fadnis. So these three, at least three names.
mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
They are asking like that.
Okay, sir.
What are the digital products of Federal Bank?
So main digital product of the Federal Bank is accepting the deposit and lending the.
No, I am asking digital products.
So
Internet
digital.
banking, mobile banking, WhatsApp banking, then FASTag, like that. I think I saw that in one idbibank.com. Similar,
Mm.
same thing they are also doing. idbibank.com. It doesn't come out very clearly here. You see how nicely it is coming. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can.
इसको पढ़ लीजिए. What are the headings?
Sir, internal banking, mobile banking, WhatsApp banking, loan, easy access.
They no, but here their name is Insta Digit Loan.
Okay.
In the case of bank, Federal Bank, it is Insta Digital Loan. Then this
Mm.
one,
Video re KYC, FASTag, corporate debit care, card pin,
generate debit card.
generate debit card pin.
Then submit Form 15G, Form 15H. What is Form 15G, 15H?
So not aware.
See, whenever you deposit money in fixed deposits in banks, if an individual is getting less than 40,000 rupees per annum as interest, you please speak that and come. You are getting a
No,
call.
sir, no, sir, it's fine. I just.
Yeah. See, whenever we deposit money in fixed deposit in a bank, where we get up to 40,000 rupees interest from fixed deposit is exempted from income tax for tax deduction. But
Okay, sir.
when the interest is exceeding 40,000,
Mm.
bank will deduct 10% of the interest as
Okay, sir.
TDS. This is for people below 60 years.
Mm.
People above 60 years, it is 50,000, 50,000.
Okay, sir.
And so, in such a case, supposing a person feels that his income for that year will be below income tax level, he can give Form 15G
Mm.
if he is below 60 years. If the
Okay.
person is above 60 years, he has to give Form 15H.
Okay, sir.
So this, as a former student, I thought you will be aware of this.
No,
This is
sir. I
the
was.
you are not aware. doesn't matter. Now, please tell me the difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit.
So fixed deposit is for a long term. It's a long term deposit. It will be for a fixed tenure where you can withdraw the money after the certain years, like 5 years or 10 years. But recurring deposit, you have to deposit the money every month at equal interval with the fixed amount. Like if you are investing, depositing 30,000 this month, next month also you will have to deposit 30,000. Similarly for fixed year, and you will be getting the principal amount as well as the interest at the closing of the tenure only.
Good. But you must also tell in the case of fixed deposit, minimum number of days is 7 days,
Okay, sir.
maximum 10 years.
Okay, sir.
In the case of RD account, minimum is 6 months,
Hmm.
maximum 10 years.
Okay, sir.
This point you should, they may not ask you all this, but generally, uh,
So, sir,
because
that means for the fixed deposit, you can withdraw the money after the 7 days also. Like it can be a.
no, not that way. You can withdraw even after 2 days, nothing wrong. But in which case, bank will not be paying the interest they have agreed to. They will
Oh,
allow 1% less than the interest allowable for the period for which the deposit was with the bank. Imagine
okay.
you are keeping a deposit for 6 years and the interest rate is 6.5%, but you come and you want to close it after 2 years. The interest rate on the deposit for 2 years at the time of opening, let it be 5%. Then you will get only 5 minus 1, 4% interest for the 2 year period.
Hmm.
To avoid this, normally banks, what they do, they allow people to take loan against a fixed deposit up to 90% of the money deposited, for which
Okay,
they
sir.
have to pay interest 2% more than the interest they are getting from the bank. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Then they ask very simple questions. What do you mean by nationalized bank?
So nationalized banks are those banks which were private ones, but later on acquired by the government, and it's under the government itself.
The first sentence was not required. Earlier
Okay.
they were privatized. Simply you can say nationalized banks are those banks where government holds more than 51% and above
Hmm.
shares. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
When were the banks nationalized initially?
Sir, not aware.
You are not attending class. That's why you don't know. I have covered all this in the class. 1969, 14 banks were nationalized,
Okay, sir.
which had a deposit of 50 crores and above. In the year 1980, six more banks were nationalized,
Hmm.
which had a deposit of 200 crores and above.
Hmm.
That's it. What do
Okay,
you
sir.
know about RBI?
So RBI is the central bank of India, which has the all the monetary policies and monetary control over the all other the commercial banks in India, and it is the apex and regulatory body. And
Note
RBI
issuing
is the
authority,
one.
note
Uh,
issuing authority, foreign exchange control,
okay, sir.
and bankers to bank, bankers to government. ये सब
Hmm.
बोलना है.
Okay,
ठीक है.
sir. Okay,
Have
sir.
you visited which is the nearest branch of Federal Bank from your home?
Sir, Kalaktipudi Federal Bank is the nearest branch from my home.
Have you
And
visited that branch?
yes, sir, I have visited.
Describe that branch to me.
Sir, today only I visited the branch.
Acha, how is it? Wait, it's in the first
Sir,
floor or second floor or
sir,
ground
ground
floor?
floor. Ground floor.
How big is that?
It's not that big. It's of a medium size. I went there and I asked them, like, can I open a zero account, like zero savings account? Then she said to me that like, but it will not be that much beneficial for you because for the people like me, the youngster, they requires Google Pay system, all the UPI transaction. But for the zero savings account, you will not be permitted for that. And if you do not do transactions regularly, the account will be blocked. So you will have to renew it again. So she suggested me to open the another like account, which would have a minimum balance of 2000. So I am planning for that.
Did you tell them that you have been called for interview?
No, sir, I did not.
Why? If you had told them, then they would have talked to you still more friendly. Doesn't matter. Good.
Okay.
So, what is the name of that branch?
Sir, Kalatipadi Federal Branch.
How far is it from your home or college?
Sir, it's like near to my home,
Oh,
like 1 kilometer, 1 or 2 kilometers.
good. Do you know about any recent tourism development happened in India?
Yes, sir. The recent tourism development that the India has decided is about the Lakshadweep. Uh, we all know, like the government of India, our PM Narendra Modi is planning for the development in Lakshadweep after the Lakshadweep and Maldives issue happened. The government has even set up the budget in crores to build the hotels, to take the infrastructures, transportation system in Lakshadweep, so that the India will be more developed in such areas.
Good. Do you know anything about the budget? Tell me three important points you studied in budget.
So the budget that has been passed recently in February 1 is of interim budget. Interim budget is usually happen when the new election is going to happen in Lok Sabha, and the new government will be coming on. So this interim budget will be a temporary budget. It will be for a few months only, up to July only. And
No, no,
main
no.
highlight of interim.
As a finance student, you should tell this budget has been passed so that government is authorized to spend money from April to May till the results are announced.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
That is
Okay,
why
sir.
it is called interim budget.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
What is the next parliament to be formed? What is the number of parliament? Is it 14th or 15th?
Sir, it's 15th,
Pardon?
I guess. I think it's 15th
Wrong.
Parliament going to happen.
18th. 18. I
Okay.
told you purposely 14, 15 to mislead you, but it is
Okay, sir.
18. 18.
Okay, sir.
How many members are there in Lok Sabha? I think
So in Lok
542 or
Sabha, there
5.
are around 200 and...
No,
Okay, okay.
Lok Sabha members. Total
So
number
543.
543,
5,
correct. 543. My eyesight is not good. I'm
yes.
not able to get it. Now it is 543. Currently, the House has got 543 seats, which are filled by the election of up to 543 elected members. Okay, good. Rajya Sabha has how many members?
So 207 something, 47 or something. It's comparatively lesser than Lok Sabha.
Rajya Sabha
200.
should consist of not more than 250 members.
Hmm.
238 members representing states and union territories, and 12 members nominated by the president. Rajya Sabha is a permanent body and is not subject to dissolution.
Hmm.
Once in 2 years, one-third members retire and one-third members get elected. What is the rate of interest Federal Bank pays on savings bank account?
So it's 3% right now, I guess, like not.
3.05 up to 5 lakhs and
Hmm.
3.10 above 5 lakhs.
Hmm.
Why were you not attending my classes regularly? What was the superb work you were having personally for you from 8:30 to 9:30 on days I was conducting classes? Very sad. You have missed
Sir,
something valuable informations which were shared. You may think I saw the video. That is of
hmm.
no use.
Sir, in college I do have night class also, like from morning to like night 8:30. I do have night classes also, so I was not able to.
Huh? So, but you could have taken exemption from them at least from 7:30 so that you can relax and come. It doesn't matter. Past is
Okay.
past. Best
Hmm.
wishes. We will meet. Please attend the interview with confidence. Now, with you, the best thing is you have the confidence, but knowledge wise, how do you rate yourself out of 10?
Sir, 5.
You want to please me, so you are telling like that. I will rate you at 7, but 7 is not eligible for appointment.
Hmm.
So, but let us see. If you are lucky, they will ask, they will gossip with you something because you are talking very well. They will gossip with you something very not so official or not so banking, and they may like you and get selected. It all depends on दिमाग में जो लिखा है उसका बारे में होगा.
Hmm.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Don't feel sad, but
No, sir. No.
जो होना होगा बस.
Hmm.
और कुछ नहीं. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.